I'm Ty with WTI, and these are my Slate coasters. My favorite thing about these Slate stone coasters is their design. With my home decor, I'm trying to merge into using earthy, natural elements in my home, so these coasters were perfect. They not only provide a functional solution for protecting surfaces from drink condensation, but adds a timeless, natural aesthetic to my home. These coasters have a diameter of 3.8 inches. They're durable and moisture resistant. And with a set of 12, these coasters offer ample coverage for gatherings and daily use. They are easy to clean and maintain and keeps my tables and countertops free from water rings and potential damage. So whether you're using them for a bar setup, kitchen, or general home decor, these coasters elevate the look while serving a practical purpose. So I highly recommend these coasters, and that's my point of view.